Friends, iQOO is all set to officially launch its powerful smartphone, the iQOO G9 Turbo Plus. All the details about this phone have already been revealed ahead of its launch. In this video, we'll discuss its design, build quality, key features, confirmed details, and price. So let's dive right in and explore everything you need to know about the iQOO G9 Turbo Plus. Starting with the design and build quality, the back of the phone will have a glass panel, an aluminum frame, and a dual camera setup with a flashlight. It feels premium in hand, and if you've seen the iQOO G9 Turbo, the back design is quite similar. The front features a flat display with a center punch hole camera and slim bezels, giving it a sleek and modern look. Overall, the phone stands out in terms of design and build. Now, talking about its thickness and weight, the phone is just 7.9 millimeters thick and weighs around 199 grams. As for the display, it will feature a 6.7-inch OLED screen with 1.5K resolution, a center punch hole, and an under-display fingerprint sensor. It also supports a 144 Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of up to 450 nits, providing a smooth and vibrant display experience. Moving on to the performance, the phone is powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 9300 Plus processor, built on advanced nanometer fabrication. Its Antutu score exceeds 1.6 million, making it perfect for high-performance tasks, including gaming. Even with high settings, you'll enjoy a smooth experience. For those who play games like BGMI, this phone will be a perfect match. Plus, it comes with a Q1 supercomputing chip to further enhance gaming performance. In terms of storage and RAM, it offers ample space and smooth multitasking. The main camera is a 50-megapixel sensor with OIS, accompanied by an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera. For selfies, you get a 16-megapixel front camera. Whether you're taking photos or recording videos, the camera setup will deliver excellent quality with well-balanced colors and good detailing, even in portrait shots. The phone also includes AI features to improve image quality and remove unwanted parts with ease. Additionally, it supports X-axis linear motor for better haptic feedback. Now, let's talk about the battery. The iQOO G9 Turbo Plus comes with a 6,400 mAh battery, providing long-lasting performance. It supports 80 watts fast charging, allowing you to charge the phone from 0 to 100% in just about 26 to 27 minutes. This means you can quickly recharge your device and get back to your tasks without much delay. With such a large battery and efficient fast charging, the phone ensures a smooth experience even during heavy usage like gaming, video streaming, or multitasking, without the need to frequently charge. However, there's no 3.5mm headphone jack, and the phone supports only dual SIMs without a memory card slot. Out of the box, it will run on Android 14 with promises of 3 years of major updates and 4 years of security patches. So that's all the confirmed information about the iQOO G9 Turbo Plus. From its display to its performance, camera, and multimedia features, this phone seems like a solid all-rounder. As for the price, the iQOO Z9 Turbo Plus is expected to be priced around 2,000 yuan in China, which is roughly $270 USD. This makes it a highly competitive option in the mid-range smartphone market, especially considering its performance-focused features. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.